It's Wednesday, 5th February, and the markets wrapped up the day with modest losses. Despite the cautious sentiment, gains in sectors like oil and gas and metals offered some relief. Let's break down today's top market highlights. The Nifty slipped 42 points to 23,696, while the Sensex lost 312 points to 78,271. Oil and gas, metals, and media gained up to 1.8%, while FMCG and realty saw declines. Advances outpaced declines at 2,559 to 1,405. Among the top Nifty gainers were Hindalco Industries, ONGC, Apollo Hospitals, BPCL, and Adani Ports. On the losing side, Asian Paints, Titan Company, Nestle India, Britannia Industries, and Tata Consumers saw notable declines. The rupee hit a record low of 87.4875 before closing at 87.4650, down 0.4% for the day. Weighed by foreign outflows and rate cut expectations, it remains 2025's worst performing Asian currency. Heavy dollar demand worsened losses. Page Industries declared a 150 rupee interim dividend for FY25, with a record date of 13th February. Q3 profit rose 34.3% YoY to 204.7 crore rupees, while revenue increased 7.1% to 1,313 crore rupees. Despite sector challenges, long-term growth remains strong. Britannia's Q3 FY25 revenue is expected to rise 5 to 7%, but inflation pressures may lead to a 5.4 to 8% drop in net profit. Key factors include demand trends, raw material costs, and competition, with biscuit volumes up 5% but price hikes lagging cost inflation. The broader markets outperformed the benchmarks today. The Nifty Midcap 100 gained 0.68%, while the Smallcap 100 surged 1.85%. This strong performance highlights growing investor interest in mid and small-cap stocks, signaling positive market participation. Gold prices rose 1% on Wednesday, reaching $2,875 per ounce amid rising US-China trade tensions and inflation fears. Safe haven demand pushed prices to new highs, while analysts warned of overbought conditions but potential for more upside due to ongoing geopolitical uncertainty. V-Mart retail shares rose 5.3% after strong Q3 FY25 results, with a 154% YoY profit surge to 72 crore rupees. Revenue grew 15% YoY to 1,027 crore rupees, and EBITDA increased 43%. Same-store sales grew 10%, with V-Mart brand leading at 19% growth. Swiggy's Q3 FY25 net loss widened 39% to 799 crore rupees, despite a 31% revenue increase to 3,993 crore rupees. Rival Zomato reported a 57% drop in profit, and Swiggy's shares closed 3.6% lower on 5th February. Zydus Life's Q3 net profit surged 30% YoY to 1,024 crore rupees, surpassing analyst estimates of 885 crore rupees. Revenue grew 17% YoY to 5,269 crore rupees, with a 31% rise in US market sales. However, growth in India slowed to 6.7% from 16% last year. And that wraps up for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest market insights.